Okay, now let us try to do some more Venn diagram shading. Okay, suppose if your question may come like this: shade B union C if you are given three sets together. Suppose if you are given three sets together, that is A, B and C, and you are asked to shade it. Okay, so B intersection B union C. So B will be this whole, this, and your C will be again this whole part C. So this two color, if you see, I am shading this B and I am shading this purple color. So you can see this area is having both pink and purple. Okay, so don't get confused. So this will be B union C. Okay, now suppose if it is given B intersection C. Okay, so again if you are taking three sets together, that is A, B and C. So what will be the shading part? The shading part will only be this part. You cannot include this shading part. Will it be included? Yes or no? Yes, it will also be included. So this whole part, pink color, will be B intersection C. Okay. Now suppose if it is given A intersection B intersection C. So which part will be the common part between all the three sets? This is A, B and C. So this part only will be the intersection for all the three. A union B will also be this, B union C is this, and A union intersection C is also this. So this is the intersection of all the three sets. Okay. Suppose if you are given A intersection C, so here universal, you can write it here or inside this. Okay, so A, B and C. So what will be the shading part? The shading part will be this part. Okay, A intersection C. Okay, now suppose let us make little bit complex. If you have like this two sets, but you have to paint it in this way. Okay, so for this I will be making, you have to do it in one set, but for your understanding let me take two different. Why? Because there are two different combination given here. So A intersection A, B, C here, C here. Okay, so A intersection B is this part, isn't it? And A intersection C will be this part, is not it? And now you have to show the union. That means this shading part and this shading part will be together, is not it? So what is the final answer will be? What will be the shading of the final part? That is A, B and C. So what will be the final shading part? The final shading part will be this part as well as this part. So this two part is the answer of the question. So if you have any doubt, so separately you can do it and you can write it. Okay, now suppose let me change, in place of this, if it was intersection, so what will be the final? Suppose in case of this, if your operation was A union A intersection B, intersection again with A intersection C. So if you see, the common area of this two is this part and this part, is not it? Okay, so I hope all of you understood the concept of shading of the Venn diagram. Thank you. Okay, so I want to take some questions from exercise 1.4. Okay, So I'm taking question number 4. In this question number 4, you have some elements in A, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in B, you have 3, 4, 5 and 6. In C, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. And in D, you have 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are the elements present in these 4 different sets. Okay. So here, if you see the first question, that is A union B. So union means you have to write all the elements present in set A as well as in B. So number 2 is A union C. So in A union C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Next, third is your B union C. So B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need to write 5 and 6 two times because you have to write only one time the element present. Okay. Next is your B union D. So B union D will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. In 5 you have A union B union C. So first of all, let me use the bracket, that will be easy. So if you see A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. This element you have to use union with C. C is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So what is the final output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. When you have 3 sets, you have to write it in this way. Number 6 is A union B union with D. So already A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 union with D. So D is 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So what will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Number 7 is B union C union with D. So B union C will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Union with your D is your 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So what will be the answer? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. This will be the element present in your. Okay. Next, let me take some questions are easy, so little bit tricky type questions I'm going to take. Okay. Suppose let me take question number 9. In 9, you have inside this set A, you have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay. In B you have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. In C you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And in D you have 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Now let me do for question number 1. Okay. Okay. So here in 9, in question number 1, it is A minus B. So see what are the common element here. If you see what are the common element between this is 12, is not it? And any other number is there? No. So what will be A minus B? You have to write only the element present in A, is not it? That is, your answer will be 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Because 12 is present in what? Set B also. Is not it? So you have to write only A minus B. That is only element present in A, excluding the element that is present. Is that? Number 2 is A minus C. So in between A minus C, what is there? 6 is there. Any other number? Okay, so A minus C will be 3, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay, let me take for question number 7, b minus c. So b minus c, you see, so 4 is common, 8 is common, 12 is common, is not it? So what will be the answer? Simply 16 is also common, so your answer will be simply 20. Okay, suppose let me take 9, that is c minus b, the opposite. So c minus b is 2, 4 is there, 8 is there, 12 is there, 16. So what will be this? 2, 6, 10 and 14. So b element, common element, you have to exclude and only write the element present in c. Is not it? If I am using number 10, that is d minus b. So d, if you see d and b, what is the common element? 5, 10, 15, 20. Is not it? So I cannot take 20. So my answer will be 5, 10 and 15. So I think all of you understood the question based on difference of the sets. Thank you.